Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. So I'm still in Nagaland and I'm still enjoying, and today I'm here with another very good recipe. I'm going to show you that first. These are fishes, chota fishes, eh? So with that I'm going to add this one. I don't know what we call it in English, but in our language we call it Yangliben. It's very rich in color, yellow color as man sundar as. So this Yangliben and small fishes I'm going to make. So these two I'll be adding, and let me show you the rest of the ingredients. It's very simple. Bamboo shoot, chota bamboo shoot, और इधो निगा मस्तो लंबा bamboo shoot भी. Two types of bamboo shoot I'm going to add. Some green chilies, ginger, and garlic. If you can even use bamboo shoot juice also, and of course if you want you can add king chili also. So for that, then I'm going to add water. We'll be adding this bamboo shoot. Green chilies. Duita piece kuna hali dibi. So it's done. Now we will mash this ginger. Garlic we won't be adding it now. Add this ginger. Then we will first bring it to a boil. So it's boiling nicely. Now I will add the salt. And now it's a fish to add to it. चलो फिश थाली से अभी ज़्यादा फिश तो भाल रहा पकाऊँ 10-15 मिनट्स यहाँ पकाऊँ तो इतना ढकना भी नहीं तो कौन करूँगा ये तो प्लेट तो पीछे हैंडी है जे हाथ पे खाओ बड़े ढकना भी बुनाई दीजिए सभी छोटे प्रॉन भी आ जाए और टाइम লাগিব इजा বন বনা ভালো বনাব আৰু অলপ টাইম লাগিব কুক কৰিব একবাৰ চেক কৰোঁ পানীটো অলপ শুকি আছে এতিয়া ঠিক এইটো Yangliben ঢালিবলৈ টাইম হৈছে so before that we will wash this don't throw this water. You can use this for washing cups and vessels. 이제 이제도 이리 할리디오. 아야, 기만 딘 비실이 가볼래서 뭐 Yangliben 너. 너 할라 비시데 알아? 까불 거나 얼른 보나베요. So, একবার সাবো Yangliben হালা বিশিদি হিলা নাই একবার হিলাই দিবা স্টিবরা টেস্টি হবে একবার নিমখ টেস্ট করো zigzag আছে নিমখ কি আৰু কভার বনাব আৰু পানীটো পৰ চাব পানীটো শুকিবলৈ আছে এতিয়া তো গাৰ্লিকটো আনি দিব গাৰ্লিকটো হালা বিছিনে কভাৰ কৰি দিব পানী অলপ আছে আৰু সেইটো শুকিব দিব তো হৈছে ভাল যোৱা পানী বি শুকি যাইছে যত নামাই দিব খাই যাব ন let me taste this after a long time I'm having Yangliben masala taste to Yangliben में सब पाल बजे से it's so tasty chalo guys my niece is also going to taste खाओ ना ना ना
Kumain so tasty.
By her expression, I know that it's very tasty. Really, it was so tasty. After a long time, I'm having Yangliben. I don't know what we call it in English. So if anybody knows what it's called in English, please share it with me also. In how we call it Yangliben. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification icon. See you in the next video. Bye bye, tata.